Hello students, welcome to class 11th. Myself Rita Rana and I am going to teach you English. So this is my first video and the topic for the video is notice writing. Okay students, you must be familiar with notice. Time to time we come to know about different notice displayed on the notice board that are kept in front of the office. Okay, so what is notice? Notice means information. Sometimes we have to convey a short message to a large number of persons, and at that time we use notice. Okay, a notice is one of the means of conveying such a message. It is a brief form of communication which is formal and factual, and it is written to be circulated or displayed on a board to be read by those for whom it is meant for. Okay, means to whom we want to spread information, and it is usually an advance information about an event, a function, an inauguration, a program, or lost and found information items information. Okay, so these are the purposes why the notices are written. If we want to give information about all these occasions or lost or found items. Okay students, so after that come to the format of the notice. How the notice is written? First of all, you can see that I have written the format in a box. So notices are written in the box, and we'll start with the name of issuing authority. Issuing authority means the institution, the organization which is issuing the notice. Okay, then we'll write notice in bold letters. At the left side we'll write date on which we are writing the notice. For example, I have written April 30 as I am teaching this today only. Okay, after that the title of the notice. Okay, heading, we can say that heading or topic of the notice. Then content, information of for what we are giving the notice, and we can use two very common line for writing each and every notice. For example, notice is hereby given that. Okay, we can start with this line, and we can start with this also. This is to inform all the students, all the society members, all staff members, etc., etc. Then at last there is the signature of the person who is writing the notice, then his or her name in bold letters, then the designation of the person. Okay students, so this is the format of writing the notice. I hope you all are understood. Issuing authority name, notice, date, title, content, signature, name, and designation. So here are some guidelines which we should keep in our mind while writing the notice. First of all, keep your notice short and to the point. Okay, notice must be in short form. Highlight the word title, we have to write it in bold letters. Then we have to make use of all information available in the question. Almost all the things which we have to write in a notice are given in question. Okay, so we have to make use of all those information: the issuing authority name, the topic of the notice, date, venue, everything is available there. Okay, then we have to enclose the notice in the box. Okay students, now let's understand the notice writing through an example. The question is, you are Ruhi Rahul, head girl or boy of ABC Convent School, Karnal. Your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition and you have to write the notice. So first of all, we'll start with the issuing authority name, organization name. What is the, which is the organization which is issuing the, that is the name of the school. Nothing we have to do, we have just to do copy paste here, ABC Convent School. Then we will write in bold letters notice. Okay, then here we will write the date, April 30 2020. Then what is the topic of the notice? Then again come to the question, an inter school singing competition. Again you can do copy paste here. An inter school singing competition. Then we'll start with the introductory lines. This is to inform all the student. ठीक है, this is to inform all the students. So what we want to inform, that school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. Again we have to copy paste from the question, okay, and your is converted into our school. Okay students, our school is going to organize an inter school singing competition. Now we have to mention date, day, okay, and the venue of the competition. So which date should we write? Should we write 30? No. This is the date on which we are giving information. So at least we should give students 15 days for that. So we can write on 15th May. In school campus. Okay, so this is the information about the competition. Now we can conclude it by those who are interested can give their names to their class teacher by 8th May. Okay, so now after that we'll sign the notice. You are Ruhi or Rahul, you have to sign here. Then name, Ruhi, designation. And at last we have to close the notice in the box. So this is how we can write the notice. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.